Good morning, folks. So in this video we're going to talk about how we restore a chart if it becomes corrupted. Sierra Charts automatically backs up the charts for you. I'm going to show you the locations of where they are, and I'm going to show you how to actually change it so that you can actually restore it and open it up again. So without further ado, let's jump into the charts. Okay, so on the left we just have a chart book that I've just created called But I'll Go Test Backup, and then on the right I'm going to talk to you about the directories, which is quite important in this video. So you need to go to your drive where Sierra Charts is actually installed, and then you need to go into the installation directory, and then you'll see a directory called Backups. Now what you'll see is they automatically version the backups, and you can see there's a version 14 backup, and you can see our chart is there. Now, if we wanted to copy that back into the directory, this is what we do. So we're going to get rid of the 14, and we're just going to call it V2, because if not, we're going to have an issue with the other version. So we're going to call it V2, and literally we're going to rename that, and then we're going to cut it. So we do Control X, or you can just go like that, or copy. So I'm going to just do that. I'm going to move back, and then I need to put it in the data directory. So then I'm going to paste it into the data directory. And then what we're going to do over here, we're going to open that up to show you. So we've got Open Chartbook, right? And then you can see there we've got the But I'll Go version 2. And that is how you restore a corrupted chartbook. Now, you never know what happens with it, with these chartbooks. I mean, to be perfectly honest, corruption in Sierra Charts has practically never happened with me in the years that I've been using this, and I've been using it for quite some time. But it's just so you know that feature is there, and obviously it's quite a powerful feature. Now, an important point to know: if you have multiple instances, i.e. you've been using the new instances so that you can run, and it's just there just to show you, to run multiple versions of Sierra Charts at once, then you need to actually go into that instance installation. So for instance, into Sierra Charts instance 2, and then again you've got backups, and then you can see there you've got all the information that you need. Now this does do the accounts config as well. It does the Sierra Charts config. So if you need to go back on anything that you've changed with your configs, for instance with your trade connections, then you've got that ability as well. So this is it's great to know that you've got all that information in there. All you need to do is take the backup version out of the name and then copy it back to the relevant directory. Okay, so that is just a quick video, and I hope this is very useful. And if you do get stuck with this, or you need any help, then feel free to drop a comment below, and I'll be more than happy to give you a hand. Bye for now.